All right. So park that one right behind it. There you go. And then set the lock on it. Perfect. Oh shit, that destroyed that box down there. Look at that. Yep. All right, so when you're ready to load, there's two ways that we have a load plan. Okay. The first one is you hit the drop down on the carts. Okay. And you can see it's got your tote order. So orange 501 is your first tote. 734 yellow, 552, so on and so forth. This is in order of delivery. So when you load these, you want to stack them 3 high, and then you're not going to load the first one first then. You're going to load 552, then 734, then 501. I want you to send these up to me in that order. Okay. I usually leave the phone right here, same place every time, every van, right? And I look here and go, okay, orange 552 is my first one, 734. Now, when you grab a tote, you want to grab it like this, okay? Because now you can pivot, okay? If you're using your arms to, like, grab it like this, it's gonna hurt, right? So make sure that you're grabbing it, putting it to your chest, and then pivoting with it, okay? Go ahead and send those up. All right. Boom. Outstanding. All right. You ready for the oversize?
Continue on that?
You can't, yeah. Because once you hit continue, now you can see when you scroll down, you got your overflow packages, and they are in order of delivery. So you're looking at the last couple of digits. So 14.4Z, 14.6Z. You come down here, and you have the 14.2Ts in the back. During loading, it's not that complicated, okay? So what we want to try to do is a person should be able to hand you a box, call out the sort code, and you know if it goes in the front, middle, or back, right? So you can take a note or leave your phone handy, and they are handing you up a box, and they say 14.3Z, 3Z, 7Z, 5Z. As they're handing them up, they can hand them up in any order, and you put them in the right spot, okay? When you load like this, you can fit 21 on the sidewall in that last spot, but you got to kind of pack them in, and then you leave yourself an aisle in the middle. But by doing it this way, when you don't have 21 totes, you create all this space over here, okay? And also, you take the weird looking long skinny ones. I don't know if we got any. You'll see like small skinny ones. Oh, like that one over there. Look over there. See that one on their cart, the tall skinny one in the back over there? Yeah, so like that can go up here on top of the totes. It's 1 foot by 2 feet by 10 feet. It's 200 square feet up there, right? That's a lot of space. And then you want to create as much room here as possible so that you're not stressed out digging through boxes, right? So pack the totes in 3 high every day, even if you've only got a couple. I want to see you doing this when you're on your own, okay? I spot check out on the vans, okay? And then you'll create this space over here for your last boxes, and then you layer them like this until you get up to the shelf, drop the shelf, and layer them again. Just make sure all the QR code or the driver aids are facing the same direction, so that you're digging and then move up. Oh, you can see it real easy, and it makes the process super cool. So go ahead and send these up, and I want you to tell me if they go in the front or the back. Okay?
What's the string price? So Z's obviously. I mean,
It's
that's what comes out first, at least.
yeah. Yeah, there's no real rhyme or reason to it. like logically, it's
Yeah.
based on the zone of the zip code.
Uh-huh.
So zip codes are broken down into zones, and those are the sort zones. Yes, we're good. So hand them up.
It's 14.6 Z, so it's starting
14.6Z. Where's it go?
second from the front. In front.
Up front.
14.6 Z.
Okay. Deuces.
It's 14.7 Z.
14.7Z. Where's it go?
One's behind that.
Okay.
Or 2.5D.
Back, middle, or front?
Middle.
Good. So call it out and then tell me middle, front, or back.
2.5D middle.
Middle. Got it.
14.4Z was. .2T is back. Yep, back. 14.2T is also back. Even though I desecrated the box, I'm still taking.
We're going to mark it damaged.
I'm not right first.
What? Yeah. Well, just, yeah, so you can get it out. Yeah. There you go. All right, this is an excellent opportunity to talk about a damaged package. So you have a damaged package here. You're not going to deliver. You're not going to deliver something like that.
Yeah.
Right? Tape ain't going to help that. Customer's going to say, hey, my product was damaged. It's safer to just mark it damaged and then move on. What was that?
He walked up, touched the van, walked away.
Oh, okay. So when you have a damaged package, even at loadout, it's too complicated to get them to remove it. It's a whole process. They have to remove it, then you have to refresh your itinerary, and then it comes off. They don't have problem solvers like that anymore. So just take it with you and know that when you get to that stop, you're going to mark it damaged. Okay. And you should look at each box and make sure that, you know, if it's damaged, you mark it. It does not affect your delivery completion rate or your scorecard when you mark a package as damaged. We want, even though it's just a box and it's protecting the product, we want to make sure it looks good when we give it to them, or at least decent. If it looks like it got drop kicked off the Empire State Building, right? Customers probably not going to be too happy about that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're all done loading. Go ahead and swipe to finish. All right. 86 stops. That's my magic number.
Oh.
90 locations. That means we got 4 double stops.
Mm-hmm.
And go ahead and got it. All right. This is going to take us to our first stop. Okay. Now, if we go to today's itinerary, go to today's itinerary. All right. Next. Got it. This is your sequential order of deliveries. Go to the map. And this kind of shows us on the map where we're at. So you and I are out in the Powelson area today. We're going to have all kinds of fun with cell reception. So, well, it's good. You get to learn that this app will always work. The app works phenomenal. You will hear people argue about this, but I want you to know that it works every single time, and I have never not been able to get it to work.
Yeah.
We just have to know, like, troubleshooting the steps to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do that, and you'll be confident that anytime your app malfunctions, just know it's the network. It's so dependent on the network. But once we put the app in offline maps mode, right? So we disable the airplane mode and tell the app, hey, don't look for the connection. And instead, just show me where I'm at on the map.
Yeah.
And it'd be good. All right. Go ahead and go to the menu and current stop. Anytime you go to the menu, current stop, it refreshes the app. It's going to get the most accurate data, right? And it's constantly communicating with the server. So when your app is, you know, kind of disorganized, or you want to just start fresh somewhere, just go menu, current stop. Every time you disable the mobile data, menu, current stop. Anytime you turn the mobile data back on, menu, current stop. Current stop, like, refreshes the app. And so always have that discipline to go back to it. Are we good to go? All right, go ahead and close the left door first. All right, and then the next one. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit more.